We've got a couple things to do. We're going to obviously unbox this awesome shipment from AnneGeorges, but I also wanted to do something else with you. My other activity this weekend was to prep for the upcoming rancid oil test, and I made some wonderful soaps with some Rainforest Chica clay and rancid oils. And no, the soap isn't rancid, it's been cleaned. But this is the recipe I used. They float. Isn't that fun? I love floating soaps. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Yay. So this is for the members exclusive for this quarter. All the info for it is up on the website. I really hope you can join. It's going to be super fun. Turning just expired, nasty, rancid oils, things you would think would need to be thrown out, and turning them into some seriously awesome spa-worthy soaps. So, let's do float. How cool is that? All right. Let me flip you over here so you can look down with me. And let's open this up. So, I was going through and just doing my inventory, and I realized I need some things. I also needed some henna for my hair. So I ordered with Anne, and I don't remember when I ordered. I remember that I forgot to actually submit the order. Then the order got submitted. And anyway, with all that kerfuffleness, I forgot what I actually ordered. I know there's henna in here, and I think I got some other things too that I needed. I just don't remember. Okay, but I mean, this is kind of cheating, but Anne, I mean, here's the safety data sheet for everything I ordered. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Anne. Everything I need right there. But let's just open the box. I don't want to read all that. I've read it before. Let's just open the box and see what's inside. How fun. I do get asked quite often on my color tutorials, what if I don't want to use AnneGeorges botanicals? What if I have other botanicals? What if I grow my own botanicals? Totally fine. Anne's just the supplier that I prefer, and that's where I order from, because I've had some bad experiences in the past with other suppliers, and sometimes great experience with the supplier, but the botanical wasn't quite the best, you know what I mean? So, I love ordering from Anne. Let's see what we got. Oh, how fun! Alrighty, we have, oh my gosh, indigo. Thought I got some indigo. Oh, I got the big one. Yay. So, I told you we would be doing some little tips and tricks for each one. All right, so tips and tricks with indigo is use it however it makes you happiest, really. So it is both water soluble and oil soluble. Soluble is not the right word. It can be used in both oil and water macerations. For many years, I was all about using it infused. And then we did the Always Indigo masterclass, which made me play with decoctions again, which I hadn't played with for about 5 years. I'm like, oh, I love it as a decoction even better now. So it works great either way. You know, there's differences. That info, you know, I go way into that in detail on the Always Indigo masterclass, but you can just play with it. Try it both ways, see which way you like best. Currently, my ultimate fave way to use indigo is with a decoction or creating what some supers call indigo. Oh, indigo. Warning. This puppy will heat up your soap. So be wise with your indigo. Too much indigo, volcano in the mold. Yeah, ask me how I know. All right. Next up, oh, this is my henna. I promise you all, I think I've said it before, we need to make some henna soap, right? Been getting a lot of questions about my shampoo bars. So, which I mainly just follow Liz Our Lady's. I don't think I can open that up. I think I have to get my jar opener thinger. Well, maybe. Oh! Hand therapy and soap unboxing all in one. Anyway, I got really distracted, didn't I? As the henna. I mainly use this to color my hair. My mom started putting henna in my hair when I was 12-ish. I mean, I don't know. And I have continued to do so ever since. And it does wonders for my hair. Like strengthening, conditioning. I just always feel better after I've hennaed my hair. Plus it looks pretty. So I also do some Mendy art with henna. And yes, you can use it to color your soap. And it creates the same color as, if you look up Mendy art, that's using henna for temporary tattoos on your skin. It's kind of like this orangey, bricky, reddy, brown, earthy type color. That's the color it makes the soap. So we do need to make some soap with some henna. Maybe we will do some henna shampoo bars. I'll put them on like the to-do list, but the to-do list is really long, my friends. I have so many fun things planned for us. I think I'm scheduling ideas out until like next fall. So we have so many fun things in store. All right, Himalayan rhubarb. Yay. Love Himalayan rhubarb. Biggest tip for this is to use lots of it. Use more than you think you're going to need. It is oil soluble, so you create an infusion with it. Go super extra quadruple insane heavy on your infusion. Long, strong infusion, and use a whole heck of a lot of it in your soap. That's assuming you're trying to get the reds. What my favorite use for is, you can see the photos on the Blush and Roses masterclass. And those chrysanthemum soap molds that I got the best partial gel ever with. That was with the Himalayan rhubarb. They were so cool. I love them so much. Where it was like sherbet orange on one side over to the light pinks and all kind of like gradating in, and it was all based on the gel. Oh, I see. I knew I got some alkanet. I needed to get some alkanet. Yay. Best tip with alkanet. Gosh, I used to think alkanet was the most persnickety, which is why I made the anti-alkanet, which is featured in the book. But I think rhubarb's even more persnickety than the alkanet now. Alkanet, one, it has to be fresh. You have to get good quality stuff. This was packed for use September 2024. So talk about fresh alkanet. Use this up for sure within a year. Not most, but many other botanicals, they say use within a year. I've been successful with others, especially at the hennas and the indigos, a couple years out. But with alkanet, do not save this. Use it. If it's not fresh, you're not going to get your purple. You're just not going to. Good strong infusion, and good strong infusion. Fresh botanicals, my biggest tip with the alkanet. What else do we have here? Oh yay, madder root. Madder root is, I always say it's water soluble, but you can use it as an oil infusion. You get lighter, more pastel-y colors. Got some of the grooviest skin tone colors with madder root infusions in the Blush and Roses masterclass. They were so cool. I'm so inspired to do some skin tone base soaps with it. That's on the to-do list too. But my biggest tip for madder root is to get it wet. To get it wet, it's water soluble. Its half use is water soluble. If you want natural red, this is my go-to red. And I have it handy. We just used it. and our holiday soap. So I will go ahead and grab one of our cutie patootie Santas because they are so cute, and our candy cane soaps, and see, Madder Root red. If you ask me, that's red. This is just my standard Madder Root slurry for both the candy cane swirl and the soap dough for Santa's hat. And I don't know what the ratio is off the top of my head. As I said, it's just my standard slurry that's in the book, and it's in the classes and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm happiest with this as a water soluble. What else do we have? Oh, more alkanet. Okay. I ordered 2 alkanets. We need to make a lot of purple soap, my friends. Okay. And, oh, another Madder Root. Yay! So that's everything I got. Alkanet, Madder Root, some henna, some Himalayan rhubarb, and some indigo. I will, you know what? Let's do that next week. Let's get some oil infusions set up for the rhubarb, the alkanet, and I was kind of thinking we could do an infusion for the Madder Root and start on the skin test, the skin color soaps. But you know what? I've got so many fun projects in store for you all that I think we'll do the alkanet and the Himalayan rhubarb, get some infusions set up, and I'll make some plans. I'll put the shampoo with the henna higher up in the to-do list for you soon, so I know I've been getting lots of questions about that. But thanks everyone for popping in. It was fun chatting with you and opening up all these treats from Anne. Thank you so much, Anne, for all you do for the Soapy community. It is, we're really fortunate to have you, for you to take care of us like this, because she really does a lot of great things with making sure we've got good quality botanicals to use in our soap. All right, everyone, we unboxed. That's our happy little live stream. It was great hanging out with you all. I'm going to go put my floating soaps away and wrap up some kind of dishes and whatnot, getting ready for the big upcoming members-only rancid soap class. So I'm going to do that. You have a fabulous weekend. Happy soaping, and be sure to tag me if you've made any great soaps. I'd love to see them. Happy soaping, everyone.